guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And welcome to my April planning video. So I started planning my videos this year 2021, and I've been very particular about planning my um, months, weeks, and now I think I've got up an habit to it. So I thought, why not to share with you all how I plan my April, or basically my every month. So this is going to be a 12th class addition, because of course, as I said, no, actually I didn't. I am in 11th standard now. My 11th just begun. So I'm going to plan for my 11th standard. So, and also a lot of things is going to be planned for this April, because I have my birthday. So guys, in order to plan for your next month, you should definitely start rating the previous month. This would really help you to be very productive, and would give you like a analysis of how you did last month. So you can rate on the basis of your three priorities. For me, my top three priorities are now and always are health, productivity, and my goals. You can literally take whatever you want. It can be like a study or a specific topic from your subject, like any subject, or income, budget. You can take literally anything. So I was not that good onto health, so I decided to give like a 3-star, but I was productive. I woke up early, I did exercises, so I decided to give myself 4-star. And of course, I wasn't able to complete all of my goals, so I gave myself a 2-star. Now you should write the things happened worst/bad to you. Of course, I didn't wanted it to be on internet, so I didn't wrote it there. And the next thing you should write is the things happened good to you, like your most happiest moment. And of course, I didn't want it to be it on internet, so I again decided not to write it. Now just write one word for your month. So it can be literally anything. It can be friendly, liable, luxurious, or productive. For me, it was like a little chilled and a little tensed, so I decided to write like a 2 word. And then yeah, you're done, you're good to go. It's very minimalistic. So yeah, now we're gonna rate plan for our April, of course. So just okay, by the way, I'm not being very creative, because of course I'm not that creative person. I'm just highlighting the heading. Now since this is a 12th class edition, so it has to be a lot of study and all the stuff. So start up with a good quote that would keep you like motivating. So I started with the quote says, remember why you started. This is very motivating. And now just write the habits you want to work on. So it does not have to be very specific or very big habits you want to work on. It was very like normal habit for me to just like revise regularly for my business studies and economics, and just like practice regularly for my accountancy. Of course, 12th commerce does need a lot of practice for accountancy. So I'm just gonna write that. You can literally write anything you want. Now I'm just gonna write the goals I want to like just get into those goals which I want. So first is like exercise. Of course, I want to exercise regularly, but I am not able to do it. And next thing I want is at least 300 subscribers, which I'm not getting since a long time, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Now just segregate things which you need and which you want. Trust me on this. If you start doing this, you will definitely like save a lot of money. So first thing, I saw this dress on Myntra, which was worth 7,000, and I don't have any occasion to wear this, so I just decided that if I need to buy it or not. Now the next thing is like a sports shoes. I definitely need to have like a sports shoes. I'm gonna order it right now. And now the things are important dates. You can write anything. Now Important date is the 5th April. It's my birthday, yay. Of course, just in case if you want to wish me, you can. And next thing is 17th April. Now this day I have to submit my business studies project, so I just give a reminder. And yeah, that's it. If you find it interesting, please hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next videos or so. Business studies project.